In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Icuuc.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to know is the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and search for system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for the missing DLL file and put download. Then hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the download button corresponding to your system type and wait for this to be downloaded. Then simply click on the folder icon and then right click and then select extract all and click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click, select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder and double click. Locate the System32 folder. So if you are a 64-bit Windows, go to System32. If you are 32-bit, go to SYS Wow 64. Right click and then select paste and click on replace the file in the destination. Once done, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, open a browser again and search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the download button corresponding to the system type and simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.